Hey, John from Action Kawasaki Yamaha here. Okay, today we're going to talk about flushing your machine using salt away. After your use in the salt water, you always need to flush your machine. This is an extra preventative way to get out all the corrosion around your motor, inside your motor, on your trailer, your clothes, whatever you use. You can use the salt away to do that. Very simple. Here's the salt away in bulk. You're going to pour it into the container that goes onto the attachment, which is attached to your hose. The water is off. You got an off and on spigot here. You also have an off spigot here. You have a rinse section and you have a salt away section. We're going to put it on salt away right now, and then you're going to attach it to your flush kit, which is up here on this Kawasaki. Every attachment's different. Every model. Every manufacturer has their own way to flush it. So you want to follow your owner's manual of what unit you have. We're going to start the machine. And we're going to, since it's on salt away right now, we're going to put it on. So the water is mixing with the salt away. And this is going to be flushing through the motor. You also want to make sure that you have your cooling, water coming out of your cooling indicator. And you're going to do this for about 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 or 5 minutes, you're going to flip this to the rinse position, where it is no longer using salt away. This is after 4 or 5 minutes. It's using straight water. And then, of course, you're going to shut the water off. You're going to give a couple of shoots of gas to get out the excess water in the exhaust. Don't rev it up too much, and then you'll shut the machine off. Okay, after we're done flushing, we're going to remove the salt away attachment from the flush kit. Always make sure to put your cap back on your flush. And now what we're going to do is we're going to rinse off the motor, the trailer, everything that we can possibly rinse off using the salt away. The position is on salt away. Now we're going to put the hose on. And you can see from the suds, you're going to rinse everything off that you can possibly rinse off. The handlebar, the inside of the machine. You want to take out all of your compartments and rinse everything you possibly can off. When you get to the motor, you want to be careful of the air intake, but you don't want to be afraid to rinse everything off. The seats, the rear of the craft, the pump area. And you also want to make sure that your drain plugs are out. If you have 2 drain plugs on your machine, you want to make sure both drain plugs are out, so that after you use the salt away and then you flip it to rinse and turn the hose on, after you rinse it off, you want to make sure that you tip out the trailer. Okay, so we just showed you how to use salt away when you're flushing your machine. And what we did was we sped up the process, obviously, just so that we don't waste your time on YouTube and also your time watching this on our website. But we want to keep in mind that you need to refer to your owner's manual to make sure that you do rinse it off at the proper time, you do use the correct flush kits, and you just overall make sure that you're doing everything that the manufacturer suggests. Again, thanks for watching us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial from Action Kawasaki.